This is the Cisco 8861 IP phone. The 8861 delivers a user-focused experience to your organization. Connect with your mobile phone with Cisco's intelligent proximity integration. The 8861 features USB and Bluetooth support and wideband audio for high-quality voice communication. The USB port also allows for wired or wireless headset connectivity and mobile phone charging. Included with the Cisco 8861 is the phone stand, handset cord, line cord, AC adapter, and power cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.